Here is the 1988 Heil, unfrozen. It's like 60 degrees today, February, what's the date? February 18th, 2011, and here's the little Heil thing that was supposed to go on there. Must have been under the snow the last time I was here. Yeah, here's the Heil. It's not running right now because they don't need it. They don't need the AC or the heat, but apparently it works, but it still needs a defrost control. Look, the Heil logo fell off the heat pump.
Oh yeah?
You still need that?
If you'd like it, you can have it. The important information's on the side.
Yeah.
Now this was so iced over because it faces the north that one day I actually took a bottle of 90% isopropyl alcohol and poured it on there.
It didn't.
Trying to get it to melt when it was a warm day. It didn't do a whole lot.
Surprised it didn't damage the coils.
Well, it was just on the outside because it was packed with snow.
And I was wondering where this went. It was buried under the snow the entire time. And there's where the hubcap was. There's still snow on the ground and it's 60 degrees.
Yeah, it's actually probably even a little higher than that. Look how deep the snow is over at the end by the dumpster.
You mean where that blue Toyota pickup is?
No, it's over by where the Mini Cooper is.
Where's the Mini Cooper?
Straight ahead. Or, no, I'm sorry, not Mini Cooper, right?
PT Cruiser, Mini Cooper. Rottweiler. There's the other Heil back there. Another little souvenir. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.